Welcome to our channel, a place where we compile real-life traffic situations from around the world. Our goal is not to shock or exploit negative moments, but to provide an authentic perspective that helps raise awareness for everyone on the road. Each video is carefully selected with a focus on learning, sharing experiences, and spreading the message of safety. We believe that even a moment of distraction can lead to serious consequences. That's why, through footage recorded from dashcams, traffic cameras, or user submissions, this channel aims to help you recognize risks, better understand common situations, and learn how to respond appropriately. If you are a new driver, this is a place to learn from real-world experiences. If you are experienced, it's an opportunity to reflect and strengthen your skills. Most importantly, every video is a reminder. Always drive with caution and respect for others on the road. In this section, we will look at some common traffic collision scenarios and draw lessons from them. The important thing to remember is that no two situations are exactly the same, but we can always learn how to prevent them. One of the most common causes is driver distraction. Just a second spent looking at your phone, adjusting the radio, or losing focus can prevent you from reacting in time to what's happening ahead. The lesson is clear. Always keep your attention on the road and your hands ready to respond. Another frequent issue is failing to maintain a safe following distance. Many collisions happen when a vehicle follows too closely behind another. When the vehicle ahead brakes suddenly, there isn't enough time to react. Always keep a safe distance based on your speed and road conditions. Lane changing without proper observation is also a common cause. Failing to check mirrors or blind spots can result in collisions with other vehicles. The key takeaway: always check carefully, use signals properly, and only change lanes when it is safe. In addition, inappropriate speed plays a major role. Driving at the speed limit does not always mean it is safe. In rainy conditions, slippery roads, or poor visibility, you need to slow down to maintain control. Beyond these common mistakes, there are also unexpected situations that cannot be predicted. For example, a pedestrian suddenly crossing the road, a vehicle ahead encountering a problem, or an animal appearing unexpectedly. In these moments, quick reflexes and staying calm are critical. However, not every collision can be avoided. The most important thing is to minimize risk by following traffic laws, maintaining distance, and always staying alert. Traffic collisions do not only cause material damage, but can also lead to emotional loss. These may include panic, post-accident stress, or long-term impacts on people's lives. That's why every time you are on the road, remember that your safety is also a responsibility to others. Through these videos, we do not aim to judge anyone. Every situation is a lesson. Today you may see someone else make a mistake, but tomorrow, if you are not careful, you could find yourself in a similar situation. We hope that through this video, you have gained useful insights and valuable lessons for yourself. Always remember, safe driving is not just about skill, but also about awareness and responsibility. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to support the channel by subscribing and sharing so more people can benefit from it. Every view and share helps spread a positive message about road safety. Wishing you safe and peaceful journeys on every road.